The Hidden Cost of Ignoring Insurance, a personal story of financial disaster. 3 years ago, I found myself living the perfect dream with someone I thought was the love of my life. He was charming, funny, and caring, everything you could ask for. We moved in together, building what seemed like a happy, stable future. But a simple decision he made before we even moved in would come back to haunt us in the most unexpected way. He was young, healthy, and convinced he didn't need insurance. His belief was that being fit and young meant he was invincible. I warned him, gently urging him to consider health coverage, just in case, but he brushed it off, confident he'd never need it. That was a risky gamble I didn't realize would cost us everything. Then life threw a curveball. He fell ill and had to be hospitalized. Watching him struggle was hard enough, but the mounting hospital bills turned the stress into a financial storm we weren't prepared for. Without insurance, the costs piled up fast, and soon, we found ourselves drowning in debt. We had to borrow money just to keep afloat, and my savings, which I'd set aside for our wedding, disappeared in medical bills. The weight of this unexpected financial burden hit me hard. I was working extra shifts trying to cover everything, but no matter how hard I pushed, it wasn't enough. I felt exhausted, frustrated, and overwhelmed, like all my efforts to build a future were slipping away because of a nightmarish mistake. Through it all, I realized how crucial insurance really is. Watching him recover and finally pay off the debt was a relief, but it was a tough lesson learned. Now, I appreciate even more the importance of being prepared for the unexpected, and I hope this story warns others it's better to safeguard your health and finances before it's too late. Life's unpredictable. You never know when health emergencies might strike, but having insurance can make all the difference. For me, this experience was a harsh wake-up call that keeping loved ones protected isn't just about peace of mind, but about preventing the kind of burden that can threaten everything.